Hey there, Barbie Figueroa here, and if you clicked on my video, you want to know the 5 ways that you can make money with the roadmap. And the roadmap is, if you're doing your research, it is a digital marketing course that teaches you how to build a digital business from the ground up or fill in any gaps on the business that you're currently building so that you can learn how to create your own digital business, your own digital products, and then learn how to drive the traffic that will send eyeballs to your offers. With that being said, I want to share 5 ways that you can earn money with the roadmap, starting with actually selling the roadmap. Now, there's a lot of controversy around, the people out in the, internet or interwebs talk about how, oh, this is a course that teaches you how to sell the course. No, that's not what that is, okay? Let me reframe it for you so that maybe you can see it in a completely different way. The roadmap are your training wheels, okay? Your roadmap are your training wheels that teach you how to ride a bike, right? So like, I don't know about you, I don't know if you have kids. My kids are already grown. My youngest one just turned 18 recently. But when they were little and they would want to learn how to ride a bike, what is the first thing that we do? We give them training wheels, right? Because we don't want our child to get on a bike that they do not know how to ride, right? And they're all going to be like wobbly and unbalanced and like not confident in their skills, right? And so we don't want them to fall down, scrape their knees and all that stuff, So what do? We buy them training wheels. And those training wheels help them get comfortable, gain their confidence, learn the ropes, right? Until they can take the training wheels off and ride the bike on their own, okay? The roadmap are the training wheels that empowers you with a digital product that you can earn $500 right now so that you can ride the bike right now. It's your training wheels to ride the bike right now. That's what it is, okay? And not only that, but honestly, people need to get this information in their hands. So in order to do that, you need people like me, you need people like possibly you who are interested in promoting it to put it in other people's hands to empower them to build cash flow independence through their own digital business. So hopefully that reframes that kind of like objection, because I'm going to be honest, I had that objection too in the very beginning because I didn't see the bigger picture, but now I do. Now I see how important this is, right? So that's that. So you can earn money selling the roadmap, putting it into other people's hands and using it as training wheels to earn an income while you apply what you learn in the roadmap, right? To your own business to create that cash flow independence. Now that leads me to number 2. Number 2 is you apply what you learn inside of the roadmap to your own digital business, to your own digital product, or whatever it is that you're trying to build online. They have a module that is all about traffic. And whether you want to learn how to build an audience and drive traffic from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, blogging, Facebook, Pinterest, they cover them all. All right. So maybe you already know how to build a funnel. Maybe you already know how to build a website. Maybe you know how to do those things, but you don't know how to drive traffic. Well, guess what? That module by itself, it is so comprehensive. Like it's like you click on the topic like YouTube, and it opens up into like all these lessons. It's like this lesson itself should be like the $500. So like, how is this course like only $500? Like it's crazy, right? So you can plug into the roadmap and apply what you learn to your own business, okay? The third way you can make money with a roadmap is inside of the roadmap, there are tools that you can use to build the systems that you need to get your digital business off the ground, okay? One of them is a funnel builder, right? And it also has other features like email marketing and things like that. But that funnel builder pays out 60% recurring income when you sign people up, right? So as you bring people into the roadmap, or as this would only work if you are kind of like more like in the team building mindset where you want to help people get the roadmap in their hands. Then through duplication, through that process, then you could earn a 60% recurring income inside of that funnel builder. Now, inside of the funnel builder itself also has its own courses. This is a fourth way. Inside of the funnel builder, they have their own courses, and you become an affiliate, and the roadmap teaches you how to get your affiliate link and all this stuff, and you get 60% off any course that you sell inside of their system, inside of their platform. Okay, so that is really, really cool. They have a few courses really, really good. They've got one that teaches you how to, earn money now by doing a coaching offer. There's another course that tells you how to earn $100 a day through email marketing, and then you earn 60%. But wait, there's actually, a fourth way, like 4B, right? And that is, you can actually purchase the bundle of those courses, and you will automatically earn the resale rights to sell them for 100% profit. So that's actually like a 4.5 way to make money inside of this system, okay? And then the fifth one is, as you're going through the roadmap, as you are learning these skills, maybe let's say, for example, you decide, okay, I'm going to be the Pinterest expert. I am going to get people results on Pinterest, okay? And that module is amazing. That girl who teaches the Pinterest module, I mean, she's really good. So you can go in there, learn everything there is to learn about Pinterest, and then start providing services for people to get them ranked on Pinterest. So you can use what you learn and equip yourself with those skills to offer services to people in those, in those different, to generate leads or whatever inside of those different platforms, right? And then the roadmap will teach you how to package yourself, brand yourself, create the offer, all right? Oh my gosh, it's so exciting, actually. To create the offer, to go out there and now sell those services to other people. How cool is that, right? So 5 ways you can earn money with the roadmap. Number 1, you can resell the roadmap as you make $500, get it into people's hands, use it as your training wheels to get comfortable selling digital products and learning everything you can about digital business. Number 2 is you can apply what you learn inside of the roadmap to build your own digital business. Number 3, you're going to earn recurring commissions from the tools inside of the roadmap. Number 4, you're going to earn 60% commissions when you sell any of the training or courses inside of the tools that the roadmap uses to build the systems for your digital business. And then number 5, you can become a service provider after learning a skill set inside of the roadmap and go out there and provide those services for other people. And the roadmap will teach you how to get your service business out there. It is literally everything you need. But wait, now you need a system if you want to sell the roadmap and get it into other people's hands, because the roadmap itself is a product. And inside the roadmap, there is a funnel to introduce the roadmap to other people, but there's no like follow-up email sequences. It's like, just like, think of it as, like a car with the basic package, right? Like, it's like, I don't know if you're into cars. I'm kind of into cars. I'm a mechanic's daughter. So especially I'm really into cars now that I'm in my 50s, right? Because now that my kids are grown, I'm like, yes, I love cars, right? So it's like the Dodge Charger, right? Like, you can get the V6 engine, or you can do the RT with the V8 engine, and then you can do the SRT, okay? And then you could do the Hellcat version, and you can do the Scat Pack on it. I mean, you can go to different levels, all right? So the funnel inside of the roadmap is like the basic package. It's the Dodge Charger V6. It's still a nice car, you know what I mean? But if you want to hear the rumble on the road, right? If you want to hear the rumble, you want to hear the but when you turn on the engine, right? You want like a supercharged system, right? So I actually have a system that I built, and it starts by going to mydigitalbizsystem.com. And I've even included my 10K master plan that you can download if you want to learn more about how to leverage digital marketing and the roadmap to build a business that will create cash flow independence for you. So if you want to learn how to do that, click on the link right below this video. But if you have any questions about the roadmap, please leave them in the comment section right below. And I want to know which way would you be most excited about, right? For me, I love selling the roadmap. I love empowering people to sell the roadmap too. And my 10K master plan, I wrote that whole entire thing based on my experience, because in module, I forgot which actual module, but the lesson number 25, it's like broken into different phases, but which module? Anyway, look for module 25 or lesson 25, where it teaches you how to create your own written digital products. Well, my 10K master plan is inspired by that module, right? So that is the roadmap in action. So it's amazing. So anyway, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section right below, but I would love to know which one interests you the most. And if you want to learn more, just go to my website over at mydigitalbizsystem.com. And that's it for me for today. This has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.